So if you were absent on Tuesday, April 14th, this is what we did. We came to class and we looked at our PowerPoint and it said to pick up a laptop. So students came and picked up laptops. We wrote our research paper using the research blend space. So we took our 3 deep breaths. We went through our class norms. Now, this quote here for the class norms is exactly what is graded in your writing, is what I expect for you every day in class, but the accurate information, reason, logic, and evidence. This would be something to probably freeze on your screen or take a screenshot of so that you can use it while you're writing from home, because if you are absent, you still are required to write this paper, and the paper can be written at home. There will not be any more class time allowed for this paper. So there's an outline of how to follow through and rubric notes on how I will be grading. There will also be, there's also a rubric that you can look at that was handed out in class. So here is a rubric. It is attached to the weekly update. I'm sorry, not that weekly update. It is attached to the blend space, so you may access it through the blend space as well if you would like to print out a copy. But this is the rubric, and then the rubric notes are what you are graded on. The claim, the development, the audience, the cohesion, the style, and conventions. It should be MLA format. It should have like clarifications and explanations in depth, so that's really looking at your commentary, your audience, just based on what you think I already know, and fill in the gaps on what you think your audience, being me, doesn't know. So give definitions and background information to the topic you chose, and provide sufficient data and evidence. There are only 2 required quotes for this paper, but feel free to paraphrase and add direct quotes where necessary. And then your claim has to be arguable. It has to be something that is not a fact. It has to be something that is an opinion. So when you go to the home web page for the student web page, you click Students ELA 10 and you scroll down the 4/13/25 weekly update. You'll find research on blend space. You can click there. You should have already accomplished by this date boxes 1, 2, and 3. The full assignment is on 4, but if you don't want to be overwhelmed, then just take this day by day, and today is when we wrote. You should have already done 5 as homework. The rubric is attached. The outline is attached. And then you have videos here that will help you if you've forgotten how to do something, how to write a background paragraph, a body paragraph. Writing while using rhetorical analysis, that is something I want you to try and do. We will take another look at this to insert our rhetoric at a later date. And then the quote integration here. So if you're not sure how to accurately integrate your quotes. So those are videos or ones that I suggest people take a look at before they write. So the full thing that is due is an essay at the end of the hour. And this essay should be 4 to 5 paragraphs long. I would like for you to attempt to use ethos, pathos, and logos or to some extent. Include a minimum of 2 sources, an MLA format works cited page, and 2 direct embedded quotations from the sources. So make sure that you have embedded at least 2 quotes. If you have further questions, I suggest that you email me, or you can just do your best, and these will be opportunities for rewrites. So I'll grade them and allow you to rewrite them for higher grades.